Presenting Haystack Essentials. In this course, we will guide you through how to effectively find and use relevant tags from across the Project Haystack website. Also, we thoroughly explain the theory and concepts of using and applying Haystack tags. On this course, you'll gain confidence as you learn to tag example schematics like these. To create data models with real meaning. Haystack Essentials is available for purchase now. And if you'd like to trial the course, you can start the first module for free. Phantom Factory, where learning is understanding.